Okay, Krishna. This is, I already showed you this error and you might have not had time to finish it, but I'm going to show it to you again in this video. If I use the, I just brought a fresh new order screen up, coming in here, and I'm going to read this card that I have. It is going to pull up the name as it should. Let me also show you, it calls these two items. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go delete these two calls, and I'm going to go back to the screen, and I'm going to cancel out of there because what I want to do is show you this. If I open this screen and I use the card reader and read something, if I choose this or hit cancel, it's the same effect. So if I hit done, and I hit done, and let's say now I want to add, I added the gift card, but now I want to add, look up the customer base on the card. Well, as you can see, from here, this is what it's called, just these two items, and that's what it, but it should call the, as you saw before, it should call the lookup inventory and the lookup customer based on lookup customer with loyalty card. So, but as you can see, I'm going to read the card, and it's going to do nothing. Why does it do nothing? Because it's just looking up the gift card. That's all it's doing. So once it opens this, once you open this add reload gift card, and then you cancel out or hit done, it will no longer choose look up the customer. It won't let you do that on the new order screen. We have to fix that. As soon as this item is closed, it should be calling lookup inventory and look up customer with loyalty card, but it's not. So we'll get that fixed. All right. So now on to the next thing, and I'm going to show you this. I'm just going to show you what's weird with it, but I'm sure you're aware of this because I know you wouldn't have gave me a build with it like this and you didn't intend to fix it. So I don't know you better than that. But if I go and I look up a gift card with multiple customers on it, you see how it puts it up way up here? Let me show you with the mouse. It's way up here. Instead of down here underneath it, it's showing it up there. We got to fix it. It needs to be moved over so it's in line with it. Now, if I click out of there and I just put in a name, it should look like this. This is exactly how it should look. It does it on the new order screen with it, so it should do it here too, just like that. Instead, it's not doing that. You know, if I look up the customer with the gift card, it's just putting it up there, and it looks really weird. But I'm sure you knew that that was that, and you weren't going to leave it like that, but you gave it to me. Okay. One thing to note on the membership tab, if I do select it puts it down there where it was before. Yeah, that's going to come up here, right down there. All right. It does the same thing on mailing, billing, and pickup as it did on the profile screen where it puts it up here. And we just need to bring it down. One thing to notice on the order history screen, if I do select a customer, I do scan it, and then I select one of those, it does not fill the screen unless I go here and then I go back. Then it does that. So we got to fix that. So there's a few items that you can work on. I know that we're getting very close and you're doing a great job. So I will talk to you. Hopefully I'll get up early enough to talk to you in the morning. I know you're leaving early now, but I will make my best effort to get up so we can have a talk. Otherwise, if I don't get up in time, just try to have a build for me that I can check out if we can't talk. Even if it's not quite ready, just send me a Skype and say, hey, there's a build. List the stuff that you still got to do so I don't keep making you a video of the stuff you intend on doing. All right? You have a good night, and we will talk to you tomorrow.